With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Hello students, so today we have a question here is the given diagrammatic representation shows one of the categories of small molecular weight organic compounds in the living tissues. So identify the category shown and one of the blank component X in it. So we have to find the component X in it. So we have given here is one category and one component and we have to choose this from these options which are given with us. So let's talk about this given figure. This given figure is of ribose, sugar, and it is found in nucleoside. So what is a nucleoside? So nucleoside are glucosylamines that can be thought of as nucleotides without a phosphate group. So nucleosides do not have any phosphate group. So a nucleoside consists simply a nucleobase. They consist simply of a nucleobase and a 5-carbon sugar and 5-carbon sugar, whereas a nucleotide is composed of nucleobase. So nucleotide is composed of a nucleobase and 5-carbon sugar and one or more phosphate groups. So nucleotide contains phosphate group, but nucleoside they do not contain any, so they do not have any phosphate group. So let's talk about our options which are given with us. The first is amino acid NH2. So this option is the incorrect one, as there is no nucleobase that is attached to 5-carbon sugar So the next we have with us is nucleotide alanine. So this is the figure of a nucleoside. This is also the incorrect one, and there is no phosphate group. So the next we have with us is nucleoside uracil. So this option is the correct option. It is the uracil. So this is the correct option to our question.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.